Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will be the speakers. My name is Thariq Fathan Bahtiar from Senior High School, Banjar. To you know the judges and my beloved audience, I will say thanks for watching this video. In this stage, I would like to talk about my dreams. My dreams is to become a great pianist. It's all started when I was a kid. I accidentally found a video of someone playing a piano on YouTube. Then, I searched more things about music online and tried to play the piano on my phone. I really wanted to play the piano because it looks really cool, fun, and elegant. Then one day, my grandma asked me if I wanted to learn more things about music. I myself pulled a grip of course because that's my dream after all. Then my grandma bought me a keyboard for practice. After that, I keep practicing every weekend with my teacher in my home. A few months later, when I was getting better in my piano skill, my teacher at school asked me if I want to perform when an event is held. Like at the time of my graduation, I was asked to help accompany some songs that my friends would sing. It's only one of the reasons why I really wanted to become a great pianist. It is fun seeing other people that I accompany enjoying themselves while singing. At this moment itself, I still keep practicing my skills in music so that I could be better in the future. In this part of the video, maybe you're still curious about what a pianist really is. A pianist is an individual musician who play the piano. Since most forms of Western music can make the use of piano, pianists have a wide range and wide variety of styles to choose from. Among them, there are traditional classical music, jazz, blues, and all sorts of popular music, including rock and roll. Most pianists can easily play another keyboard-related instrument, such as synthesizer, harpsichord, celesta, and the organ. Whether a pianist dedicates their careers to performing, recording, teaching, researching, and learning new works so that they could expand their range. They generally do not write or transcribe music as pianists did in the 19th century. Some classical pianists may specialize in accompaniment of musical chamber, while the other will perform as full-time soloists. In music itself, there are several genres that pianists can play. One of them is classical music. The European classical music is distinguished from non-European form of music and the other popular music, primarily by its musical notation system, which has been used since the 16th century. The musical notation system was used by the composer to give an instruction to musical performer about their pitch, speed, meter, individual rhythm, and precise dispositions of the compositions. Because of this, it limits another way of practice, such as improvisations and unlimited orientations, which are often used in the non-European music. Not just classical music, pianists can also play other genres of music, like jazz. Jazz pianists often perform with other musicians. Their playing is more free than the classical music and create an air of spontaneity in their performance. They generally do not write down their compositions. Instead, they do improvisations. Most popular pianists may also work as live performer or sessions musicians. The ranger most likely stay at home with synthesizers or their keyboards and make a music from their home. Notable popular pianists such as Victor Walsh, who is known as comedian, Richard Clayderman, who is known for his popular cover, and Liberace, who is at the height of his fame, was one of the highest paid actors in the world. In this part of the video, I would like to tell about the things I would like to do as a pianist. I like to listen to a music and try to search for its notation, for its chords and the tempo, and try to play the song in my styles. I also like to watch other people's performance and take notes from their appearance. Sometimes I like to do performing band with my friends. My friends sometimes use another instrument, such as guitar, bass, or violin. There are many things that I've learned from piano. Right now, I can read the block notation. I can now know about what chord is. I can read the tempo, and I can play so much songs in my mind. It is really fun because each person has their own perspective about music. So we can share our knowledge about music from each our perspective and make ourselves be better in the music itself. It is really fun. At this part of the video, we have reached the end of the video. But before we stop the video, I would like to play one song for you guys. It's called Beethoven Moonlight Sonata. I will play the first part because it is really one song. That's all for me in this video. Even though my dream is made from curiosity, I will still keep my dream so that I could become a great pianist in the future. Thanks for watching this video. I would like to say sorry if I have misspoken something in this video, and see you guys next time.